Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to solve a LeetCode problem and I'm going to follow the same pattern as I have followed in my earlier videos for LeetCode. Okay, so let's go. So in this video, I'm going to solve question number 1929, which is basically a concatenation of array. So the question is, given an integer array nums of length n, you want to create an array uh, answer of length 2n, where answer of I is equal to nums of I and answer of I plus n equal to nums of I. And we at the end we have to return the answer array. So what is this question is actually asking for? That in this question a nums array is given of length n, and we have to create another array of length 2n, and if the nums array contains n number of elements, then the answer array should contains 2n number of elements. Okay, so we have to store the value, we have to store the value of nums inside answer array two times. Okay, so how I'm going to solve this question? Let's go to the whiteboard. First it says this. So if array 1 is something like this, if array nums is something like this, and it is having a length of n, that is 3, then we have to make another array of length 2n. Okay, which is consisting of elements of nums array, or nums array, but the elements are repeated two times. Okay, so it is of length 2n, which is this is 6. So we have to return this. This is going to answer. This is going to be the output of this problem. So how I'm going to solve it? So at first, as you can see, we have to take one another array. So I'm taking factor of integer type and name it answer. Okay. And as you can see that this is repeating two times. First time here, second time here. Okay. This nums array is repeating two times. So it is repeating two times. So I'm going to take a outer loop and run it two times. Initial value 1 of the I'm going to initialize I by 1 and is going till 2. Then inside the inner loop, I'm going to insert the value of nums only in this array. Okay, nums value of elements in the nums array inside answer array. So I'm going to initialize it by 0 in the size of the nums array, nums size. Okay, and here inside this inner loop, answer dot going to push back elements of null. Okay, that's it. And this is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. So at the end, I'm going to return this answer. So nothing more in this question. I'm going to then decode it first, I guess. So at first, I'm going to take a factor of integer type, answer, then a loop 0, plus 0, 2 times, and I plus or and b equal to 0. B is going to fill the size of nums and day plus plus. So here I'm going to insert the value of nums array inside the answer vector. Answer dot push back nums of I, and nums of I, nums of j, and at the end, I'm going to return this, return answer. All the test cases passed. Now I'm going to submit this. Hmm. Yeah. I think my approach is 100% correct. And if you're watching till end, then don't forget to like my video. And yes, thank you.